Welcome to Gilgit Fusion Flavors. Today, I am making a traditional food of Gilgit-baltistan called Goli. This dish is typically eaten at breakfast or with evening tea. It is purely prepared with flour and desi ghee or any oil such as walnut or almond oil. Let's begin the recipe. Add 1 cup of flour in a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 egg. Mix the ingredients with slightly warm water until you get a liquid consistency, like this. Next, heat a griddle or tawa on high flame. One thing to keep in mind is always to clean the griddle with a piece of paper and a little oil. Now, using a cooking spoon, take some of the flour mixture and spread it on the heated griddle like this. Turn the Goli and bake the upper layer as well. You can make 6 to 8 breads with 1 cup of flour. I am also making tea on another flame. We have baked all the breads. In the next step, we will take pure desi ghee, put some in a small bowl, and heat it in a microwave oven. Alternatively, you can heat it in a pan on the stove. Once the ghee is melted, dip each bread in the melted ghee and roll it on a serving plate. Now, let's make the tea. We use desi milk, and we Gilgitis always love to have salty tea with a hint of ginger. So, I put 1 teaspoon of dry ginger and 1 teaspoon of salt in the boiling tea and mix well. After 2 to 3 boils, I pour the tea into cups. I serve it for today's breakfast. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know in the comment section where you are watching my videos from. Don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much.